What's up, YouTube? It's Luke W coming back at you guys again today with another video. Guys, we hit 2,000 subscribers today, and I just wanted to make this one to give my appreciation for everyone subscribed to this channel right now, and even some of those guys that have been here since the beginning, which was last year on May 21st. So it's been about 13 months, guys. I've made 203 videos on the subject of Amazon FBA. I know this channel, it's been growing nice and steady and slow, and that's the way I like it. It's not like Bitcoin where it rides up to the top real quick and then just crashes. There's a lot of channels that maybe get really lucky, they have 10 videos and have 10,000 subscribers. I'm not one of those channels. I'm really consistent. I don't have one video that just has a huge viral effect to it or anything. So every bit of my work has really just kind of been really hard work and just really compounding that hard work over time to be where I'm at right now. And that's what it's going to take for a lot of things in business, guys. It's not a get rich quick thing. It's like not huge success overnight. It's something that takes a lot more time, but it makes it much more satisfying in the end to actually hit those milestones. So I want to share my appreciation for you guys and just show all 2001 of you guys how appreciative I am of all this. Hey, we got the Versace watch down here, guys. It's a glorious day indeed. Got the single action revolver, but I just wanted to share with you guys the thing that kind of set me apart from the 9-to-5 world was when I started to make my first video, guys. I realized there was ways to make money online. I took Tanner Fox's Amazon course and made my first video on basically just affiliate marketing his course. Now, this was a way I started to make money pretty quickly because people were buying that course anyway. I just said, hey, if you're going to buy it anyway, click the link below. I made a couple sales after my first video, and I was just blown away by the fact that some people spend an 8-hour day and only make $100, and I just made $200 in my sleep that night after my first video. So that was insane. That's kind of where it all started. And then I realized just helping people made me a lot more satisfied in the end, and it made me kind of discover my life purpose a little bit more. So being a public speaker is another big thing I've wanted to do. I want to go talk in front of high schools or something and show kids how to stay out of drugs and just actually find something that gives them a real high, which is making your own money. So that's going to be huge. That's something in the future I want to be doing. But I wanted to announce a little giveaway for you guys. So everyone that is subscribed to this channel, please turn the notification bell on for my channel so you're updated when I make a new video. And I wanted to announce kind of tomorrow at 1 p.m. I'm going to do a live stream where I'm going to announce a giveaway. And if you guys have comments on what kind of things you would like in the giveaway, I'm going to do a first and second place. So the first place I was just thinking like, you can have my Amazon course for free and like a $25 Amazon gift card or something. And second place can get like a 1-hour coaching call. But if you guys have any other ideas, I got some cool trinkets around my house, I love Star Wars. It's Luke Skywalker up in here, man. And these cool speeder bike guys. That thing's actually from 1993, so that's pretty cool. But this is what I'm talking about, guys. I want you guys to see what else you might want in store for a giveaway. And again, please check out the link below because I'm going to have my Amazon FBA group. I had a comment of someone saying, Luke, let us know when you're doing these live streams ahead of time so we can actually tune in. So that's what I'm doing in this video. Tomorrow at 1 p.m. Pacific time, I'm out here in Washington State. Please tune in. I'll be doing a live stream right on the dot tomorrow. And another thing is, you guys can see here, if I go to Derek Struggles channel, this notification bell, guys, you just want to like click that and then say, send me all notifications from this channel and press save, and the bell will look like that. That's really going to help people just see when I'm making my updates and when I'm doing live streams. I want to be more upfront about that, and pretty much anyone that's in the Amazon FBA Experience Facebook group can drop all their questions in there, and that's where I'm also going to be announcing updates for live streams. I want to do a lot more of these because they're really effective when people tune in and they can ask a lot of their questions and have a lot more certainty in this Amazon FBA business, which has a lot of changing going on right now. I've made some recent videos about the review policy updates and all this other stuff, but thank you guys again. 2,000 subscribers is a huge milestone. Everyone that subscribed, if you were here with me right now and I had all the money in the world, I'd buy each of you guys a drink or whatever you guys want. So thanks a lot, and if you like the video, drop a thumbs up. That always helps boost the video and the rankings and all this good stuff. But thank you so much, guys. 2,000. Just want to have like a moment of just, wow. 2,000 subscribers, 203 videos. Thank you, guys. If you're interested in starting YouTube or something like this, and you have the drive, I want people that have the drive, man, and you guys hit me up, please. Hit me up, and I will help you guys start your YouTube channels. I can give you a few tips right now. Once you start your videos, be consistent, share them in Facebook groups, and go comment and get engagement on other posts, and people are going to come find your channel. You got to drive people to your channel, and that's one of the biggest things I did in the beginning, guys. I remember I had 300 subscribers in the first couple of months, so that was a big takeoff. I was going hard commenting in all these other groups, so that's one thing you guys want to do, guys. So thanks again, and until the next video, which is probably going to be the live stream tomorrow, I'll see you there. Peace out, guys.